The Powerbeats Pro 2 are a great option for athletes and fitness enthusiasts who are looking for a pair of high-quality earbuds that offer excellent sound quality, a comfortable fit, and a variety of features. Beats has introduced the Powerbeats Pro 2, designed for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. The latest iteration offers improved fit, enhanced sound quality, and heart rate monitoring to track performance during workouts. It also features active noise cancellation, ANC, and transparency mode for an immersive yet adaptable listening experience. The Powerbeats Pro 2 is engineered for stability and comfort, featuring a redesigned ear hook reinforced with a nickel titanium alloy. The earbuds are 20% lighter than the previous version and come with 5 ear tip sizes, including an extra small option. With an IPX4 rating, they are resistant to sweat and water, making them suitable for intense training sessions. For audio performance, Beats has implemented personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, adaptive EQ, and an upgraded acoustic architecture. These enhancements deliver a well-balanced sound profile with clear highs, rich mids, and deep bass. ANC minimizes external noise, while transparency mode allows ambient sounds when needed. Heart rate monitoring is a key addition, as LED optical sensors are used to track real-time data. This feature is compatible with several fitness apps, including Runna, Nike Run Club, and Slopes. Connectivity is seamless, thanks to Class 1 Bluetooth technology. Apple users benefit from one-touch pairing, hands-free Siri, and Find My support, while Android users can customize settings via the Beats app. Battery life is another highlight, offering up to 10 hours of playback per charge, extending to 45 hours with the charging case. Fast fuel charging provides 90 minutes of playback from just a 5-minute charge. The case is 33% smaller than its predecessor and supports wireless charging. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.